Welcome to Math and Me. By this video we are going to discuss about n term of arithmetic sequence. Let's start. Before starting video, I like to inform you that this video is suitable for course around the world like AS3, GCSE Foundation, GCSE Higher, all on your course. So let's start. Here is how to write an expression to represent a sequence of number -4, 1, 6, 11, 16, 21, 26, ... Now look, the string is, first we write the string is -4, 1, 6, 11, 16, 21, 26. Okay, so first step number 1, we have to find out the difference. Okay, so what is the difference? Here is -4 and here is 1. So what is the difference? So first we write the string of number. Okay, and then the difference. So look, if we add 5 with -4, we will get 1. Okay, this is very clear. If we add 1 again with 5, we will get 6. Similar, 5 we will get 11, 5 we will get 16. If we add 5 with 16, we will get 21. If we add +5 with 21, we will get 26. So our first question is next number. So next number is what? 26. We will add 5. Why we will add 5? We already see the difference between each number is 5. So 26 plus 5 is 31. Our first answer is 31. So next number is 31. Hope you understand this one. Second, what is the nth term? So if we find out the nth term, we have to find out second, third, some fun term. So what is this? Look, nth term. Before finding the nth term, we have to find second term, or we have to make how we get first term. The tricks is we multiply every term with difference. It means first term is 1, we multiply by 5. So 5 times 1 is 5. So what we will add with 5, we will get -4. So it means if we add -9, we will get -4. Look, this one is term, this one is difference, and this one we add or subtract. Now look, second term. Similar thing, first term is 2, multiply difference is 5. Why difference is 5? Look, -4 plus 5 become 1, 1 plus 5 becomes 6. It means 6 difference 5 is 1, 1 difference 5 is -4. Similar, here is second term means 2, difference is 5, we multiply, then -1. So what we will get? Look, this one is 10, 10 minus 1 become 1. Again, third term, similar thing, term is 3, multiply by difference, then -9. So what will be the answer? 3 times 5 means 15, 15 minus 9 is 6. So what? So nth term is n multiplied by difference minus 9. So arithmetic sequence is 5n minus 9. Okay, our second question done. Next number is 31, we already got. N term is 5n minus 9, we already got. Now find out the 30th or 100th term. Number 3, 30th term. What? So we know the n term is 5n minus 9. So 5 into n means 30 minus 9. So what will be the answer? Here is 150 minus 9. So answer is 141. Okay. Again 100 term. So difference is 5 times 100. 100 is term minus 9. So 500 minus 9 is 491. This is the easiest way we can solve our problem. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.